Bob. But the real question is if that's working. That is not Twitch. I misspelled Twitch. Bitch. Bitch. Okay. I will continue when the funny bot in my Discord server sends the funny notification. It pings all 80 people in the server. Okay, it's taking a bit. Does that not work anymore? Okay then. I don't think that's gonna work anymore. I think the bot might have reset. Oh, never mind. There it is. Like the bot did like reset on some shit when I accidentally kicked it instead of muting it. Okay, well, there's that. Alright, so the previous stream, all I did was complain about how shitty the code was, because it was really shitty. It was shitty as fuck. And I don't know why the hell I wrote. I spent so much time just deleting shit and shortening it to like something that like actually makes sense and like works properly. The stupid like mistake where the stupid bug where like I couldn't open the cabinets. You had to like spam like the E key so that like it would somehow open it. And I didn't know how to fix it, so I just literally made like a little note on the table that said the drawers are a little bit rusty, so you have to press the key a few times to open it. And I just put that because I didn't know how to fix it. And the problem was just that it was in a fixed update instead of an update. And fixed update, it like runs what's inside itself like every few frames or something, while the update, updates every single frame. So if you didn't press your E key exactly at the same time as when the fixed update, updated itself, then it wouldn't open. So that's why you had to spam it, and you would just eventually land it. And I changed that just to the normal update, and boom, it works all of a sudden. And that was a problem I had in the submarine game, and that's why I was able to fix it here. I may not have finished that game, but I learned a shit ton from that one. Oh yeah, anyways, back to I should go back to this. I've been mostly polishing this first level because I think once I finish this, I can just copy the formula onto everything else, and I have like a Google Doc where I'm writing down like everything that I need to do to properly set up. It's like maze, just make the maze, made all these like walls and shit, made them all navigation static. So like the what's it called, the little bitch AI can like avoid them with this, use his paths and stuff. Also made them like all occlusion static, so like if I'm standing right here and I'm staring at this wall, I can't see any of this shit, so none of it will render, and it really helps with the FPS. I fixed these things. I made them not I made them occludees but not occluders. So obviously they're see-through, so that's cool. Add a little bit of fog. I don't know, for all my 0 followers, they saw the tweet I made. There's a little bit of fog on like the edges. Wait, actually, I can just display that right now. Or not. There we go. Like just a little tiny bit of fog on the ground. Even when it's dark, you can still kind of see the floor, or at least like the edges. It looks nice. Deleted a lot of useless materials, like and just stretch the UVs. Like for example, this is like a 31 unit long wall, and I had like an entire material that was like just 31 units long. Or no, I can just stretch this one's UV and keep one material with one texture instead of having to make so many. Yeah, stupid. I turned chalk these things into a decal. I've done a lot of shit. Right now, I was working on actually making like a death screen. Like, I'll just run this first level. I don't think anything should change right now. The AI, I finished the AI for the first dude, the Wonder type AI. Look at that, nice lights. A little bit of added some little bit of echo for the OGs, for the 0 people who played my first game. Added back this thing, yeah, but instead it's like one button now. It's like a toggle, and I used up all the charge. Now I have to wait like 20 seconds for it to be charged, and I can use it again. I want to add like a sound, like a little like power outage something. So you like kind of tells you that like thing that just like ran out of charge. The dude, I gave him like a bunch. I gave him like 6 different like sounds he can make as he just wanders around and just randomly says them. I stole that script from my other submarine game, or like those like the random creaking and like random sounds the submarine made, and I just copy pasted that code onto this one. I haven't fixed the walking yet. I'll do that eventually. That one's not that big of a concern. It's not terrible. I didn't need to change that texture. Okay, thanks. You just made the same sound in a row. Which doesn't sound cool. And it's scary. Just like it's like dark, and you just hear that shit. I fixed all of these actually. Oh, I what's it called? That is actually scary. I don't like it. What's it called? All of the like things that were like billboards. I like remade the script because it was so unnecessarily long. I just like made it so much simpler because it's not it's really just it's just billboards. It's not hard. The what's it called? The bad dude, the big bad man. Why is he just making the same sound over and over again? The enemy, the dude. Currently, right now, I'm using the eyeball guy. That's like he actually has like the full, what's it called? Like the full texture. I don't know where it is. Oh yeah, I sorted this shit out. Levels. He's in 5. Okay, well that's that. Never mind. Oh, anemones. Here we go. Yeah, he actually has like a full texture. I changed the shader. Well, no, it was a shader, like the whole Doom-esque thing where, they rotate around depending on like what you see, but it's just a billboard, but it's like the texture that changes. It used to be a shader, but with HDRP, like some shaders change. And surprisingly, this one actually was like unaffected. And like HDRP supported it, but also I don't know shit about shaders. So, like I was actually having like trouble like configuring it and like customizing it to my shit. And I remember one of the problems with the other one was that like no matter what direction the the enemy turned, like the dude, the billboard wouldn't rotate with it. So like if I made him turn right, he would still be like facing forward, like the sprite. Like the billboard would get rotated, so then it would just become like flat. I'm not sure. Like the billboard, like the plane, wouldn't be facing the player at all times. It would rotate with it, and it was just fucked. But then this one, it's more physical. It's like an actual script. Oh, he's far. I'm safe here. It's like a physical script that like actually like rotates it and shit in there. Like if you see here, you have here like all the scripts and stuff in AI, and then you have like the actual billboard. It's like they're separate. So he got surprisingly close really quick. It's like a separate thing. So like if I rotate this guy, this can stay like facing the player. So yeah, no, he can like run around and it actually looks good. I just realized I need to add him to the top of the screen here, the compass, because I can't see where it is. I can do this. Okay, wait, so if this is north, he's at the X is this way. I can just do this. I don't know what I'm trying to figure it out. Where is he? Oh. Oh, it's paused, yeah. I was like, why is he not moving? Ah, he's far. I added the maze a little bit. So like just like so like you know there's like other paths and you don't have to just take one path. There's like multiple paths you can take. Also there's just really annoying part where I keep getting stuck like oh okay, he's getting kinda close, he might start tracking. Also, this thing actually like stuns him and he stops and like moves away. So I actually have like a chance to move away. You know, like everything that I've implemented so far has like 100% worked. You know, I'm like smarter now. I'm better. Yeah, this is pretty cool. You know, I started doing some shit with sounds because before there was really no sounds. It was just like really basic. But sounds are honestly not all that hard. I don't know why I make them so. I think they're so hard. Wait, let's go die real quick. Also, these are not occluders either, because you can see through them. It really is terrifying just hearing him. Oh yeah, look, there's the little fog in action. It's pretty neat. Where is he? Also, when the game releases, if you go back to these videos and look at the maze layouts, then you're a bitch. Yeah, you complete it yourself. Like I'm testing shit, so I can look at it, and also I made it, so like I memorize. This is like a different path that I haven't memorized yet, but like the other path I know by heart. There we go. I wasn't sure if I should have used like the original like you know the sound was called Chase Pulls Faster. That sound from like, the original game, but then I found this one which was kind of cool. Stop. Hey, that didn't work. Oh, it kind of stunned him. Yeah, it's a bit finicky, but you know what? It's all right, you know. Wait, I need to die though. Yo, hell is back. This was like a really broken, but like also it's not laggy anymore. Check that out, 80 frames, because I made it that like oh that Ripple Broski. Oh, I never assigned him. I made it so that when that's active, it deactivates like the environment and everything over here, and I forgot to assign this dude, the little eyeball man, to the thing. So he's just gonna be wandering around. But yeah. So I like hell. I like the whole concept of like you get like a second chance, but I feel like some people it might seem annoying. Like what's it called? Like it like you know they lose and they just want to get back right to starting and don't want to do like an entire other maze. So I was kind of thinking kind of like a suicide thing. Also, I fixed this. It's like they used to not get destroyed when they went under. And they would just stay there and keep making sounds. And I lowered it to like 3. I might, no, not I might, like I will add like a difficulty slider or whatever. So you can like actually change the amount of shit. That'll probably be in the future. Like it'll be like an update. You know, change like the tracking radius of the dudes. So that's 2. I should also add the totems to the item markers. So you can see them and you can actually like go to them. I was thinking of changing in the previous video I said I was going to change like the texture. But you know, I kind of like it like without the light, it still looks nasty. You can turn your light on and see like, oh, its eyeballs gross. I swear there should be one there. So I got rid of the magma because I don't know, it just felt weird. The parkour was kind of annoying. kind of like just like the maze, but I will like add more shit because it's really boring. It's just, you know, this big like, whoa, what the heck. I'm not sure if I said well that I was gonna like a suicide thing, so you can just, you know, die and then restart instead of doing this. Yeah, we'll add that. I don't know how I'll add it. Also, I'm adding so much shit that I don't think all that's gonna fit on the whiteboard in the beginning. So I might just straight up like add a little TV that just plays a video of like what to do, similar to I don't know, kind of just like a big whiteboard. One of those like big double whiteboards you have in schools. I'll probably do that. What the heck? Alright, what? Yeah, I need to stop that. I need to do that. Or change that too. Where the heck is this thing? Hold on. How have I not found a single one? What the heck? Oh, they only spawn on one side. I'm gonna increase the amount that spawn at a time. Oh, that's a really long path. But I'm gonna go there anyways. So I kind of want to increase it. That is not the way. Kind of want to increase the stamina. I looked back at the thing I had set up, like the system for the stamina, and it's like your stamina recharges faster when you are sprinting. I need to add like some way to see that your stamina's running out. Like I had before. And actually, no, I can't probably just do that right now because I was editing some shit with the, because before, like how I made like the fog change to like the hell landscape was I would like, it was like it was like a bunch of different values. But now because of HDRP, you can just have these. I just like deleted like like you had to do all this like manually, or I think, or maybe well that's how I did it. Like I just put like I had to like save the fog distance, save fog thickness, fog color, and save those three values. And then when you died, then it would say change it to change these three values currently, and then change them to like the hell ones. But now I can should have just put like use this one or use that one. I don't know if that makes sense. But in conclusion, it's easier, and because of that, I already know how to change these things, volume shit. So I can probably just go back and do that. Boop. What the heck? Wait, how many is that? 3. That's 3. Oh, I changed something. Well, no, that should have been it. Okay, well, that's just that. Oh, wait, hold on. Here we go. Where was that? Resurrect. It did call it. Environment's true. So it should have put me back and destroyed. It's because of this. It stopped at that. Is that? Hold on. I don't know what to do. I'll just input the number. The player how eyeball is up the dude. Also, I think I have it, so I can just press J to die instead of having to search for the dude. Yeah. J. Oh no, I dieted. Also, that little pause, I'm gonna increase that and add a, you know, like this thing. I can probably add that just like right now. Wait, actually, I might just be able to speedrun this. Double. Or I can just use this. Okay, there's 2 over here. What the heck? That's gonna take me so far. Alright, screw this. 3. Yo, I'm resurrected. And then down here it says I already died once. So also it resurrected me exactly where I died, which is pretty cool. That system's all working. It was so unnecessarily like massive last time. I'm not sure if I'm gonna add a jump scare thing. Maybe. Like I don't need individual jump scares. Whoa. Maybe, I'm still not sure. What type? That's kind of buggy too. Just walking overall needs a bit of a revamp. Alright. What was I gonna do? Oh no, that worked. I'm gonna finish adding this thing. The whole video. The code stuff. So I have 2 objects. I learned about headers today. Header. Okay, objects. You know, just like to sort shit. I don't think I'm using that done. Done, yeah. Replace that. So yeah. For example, check this shit out. I changed 2 things. Boom, game objects. And then I can add another header here. I can just call it go on player stuff. Just call this like volume zzz. That's probably like death. That should be good, right? Oh. What is going on here? Oh, stupid. That's the wrong button. There we go. Right, cool there. It's like sorted nicely. Ugh. Okay. Okay, so in collision with this dude, it calls death, and it calls this, or it sets my current position where I died, or I died to the death position. I think here I'll put these 2. Static screen that's inactive to true. It's probably a better way to do this, but I'm just doing it like this for now. Just to have like a nice transfer. How long did I make that? Oh yeah. Also, I like a death sound. No, you know, I think I'll let the death sound afterward. Or no, I need to. You know what? I think I'll do it for both. Maybe I'll have a separate sound for both. Cause like, how do you know you died the first time, other than just like static? I guess there has to be like something else, you know. Chat highlight settings. What the heck is this? Okay. No one chats, no one watches me, so I don't care. I think that sounds like 3 seconds. I'll make this. Ooh. Let's just make this 4 seconds for now. Copy these. Put in there. And then in here, this here, make this false. That should be good, I think. Let's test it. There I am, little la-di-da, I'm chilling. Yeah, that's kind of cool. And I'm in hell. And then here. Whoa, 3 totems. Honestly, I like that. I kind of want to add like some sort of overlay for hell. What the heck was that? Like, what if I make hell like a VHS, you know? I think that's actually kind of cool. Methinks. Trying to cut off so you can see everything. You know, I think I'll do something like that. I do have some like stuff. First, let's rotate this guy to view like that way. 180. And then maybe move him a bit out of the light. Get this one, change it to the hell one. Okay, what can I, so I'm not touching that. What can I add here? Okay, I'll move this real quick. See if it's possible. Overlay. I know what I can add. Is it on there? I forgot what it's called. I don't even know what I'm looking for. This dark shit on the edges. Wait, but it is there. I think. Post processing. What would have been yet? Is it this? I feel like it has like a different name somewhere. Wait, wrong one. Was it blue? What the heck? That's weird. Or might be. Yeah, here it is. I added it. Command conversion that does absolutely nothing. Removes that. Five. 0.7? Maybe. Post processing. Was one could like, okay, I can add chromatic aberration. Density. 0.5. That's good. And then lens distortion, that's the one I was looking for. $35. There we go. Kind of. Well, that looks like a TV, not like an overlay. You know what, actually? I think I have... I think it's transparent. I need to sort my downloads folder. And what the heck? This is it? Yes, it is. Materials, blah, blah, bleep. There it is. I think it's transparent. And then I'll add it similar to this one. I'll just like drag it in. Make a... what's called a render texture. VHS overlay. Here, I'll make a UI, raw image, just overlay. Here, just make this 1920 by 1080. That is not 1920. There it is. There we go. So where's this? Just move it a bit like that way. And if I play this, okay, well, it's of course. Okay, it is not transparent. Import audio. Okay, I never mind. I just won't change. I think I screwed it up. Oh no, there it goes. It's fixed. Can I make it transparent? Let me just do that. Or mute. How did I do it? I did something similar. I did something similar for the other one, the other game. The submarine one. Don't remember how I did it. I made it like transparent. I put it like I overlaid it over the screen. It was physical though. Wait, can I just do that? Hold on. Bruh. Yeah. You know what? I like that. That's cool. Nice 150. Okay, maybe like 140. Wait, I should probably like. Okay. That's cool. That's cool. Let's put you back on the, wait, no. I kind of want to reduce this like 0.6. Is it just going to be the same? It's just going to be the same. Move it. I'll keep those two though. Is there anything else I can add? Film grade, no, we can already get that. Motion blur sucks ass. Right, I think we're good there, actually. Change that back. Save. Over here, I'm gonna have to add another one of these thingies. I think. Yes. I'll add it under volumes. Handle this real quick. Public. What was it? Game object. VHS. That's good enough. And then on death. Yeah, I'll let it be here. Just. True. And then on resurrect. Actually, I'll put it at the top. Or not. I don't care. Trying to make things look nice. False. There you go. That should work. Don't forget to set it. So I should turn this off. Player HS. Close that. Close that. I think it should be good here. That's pretty sick. Fucking hell. I increase the light because it's kind of dark with the overlay. Yo. I should stop walking. Recharge my stamina. Then to add the indicator. I think I still have like most of the code for just like changing it. I need to take the whole compass shit because I don't remember anything at all about the compass. And also it's kind of poopy. I like, I don't know why I decided to just have to draw it. What the heck? Okay. Cool. One thing though, one touch. I need a... I don't want it to be... I don't want it to be on immediately when you die. It turns on the VHS. I want it to be after the video. You know? After the static bitches. I could make another coroutine. I'll just do that. Simple explanation. Start coroutine. VHS overlay. Kiss. And then I'll just copy paste this. VHS overlay. Put all that out of here. Set active. Ooh, after 4 seconds. Easy. Easy game. Yeah. Flashlight, zoom in, zoom out. Death. Static. It's a bit loud. I lower it. Okay, cool. I'm here. Yeah. Also, the sounds. I don't think this makes that sound. I think I had a whole thing set up for that, and I took it. I took it off. I was just deleting code. It looked messy, so I just deleted it. But you know, I think I need actually like needed it. And I can recreate it. I'm just like cheat this real quick. Whoa! I got all of them. And I'm back here. My chalk marks. Also look through decals so you can kind of see like the rock under it. It looks cool. I think. Just a thought. Need to change stupid key. Did I already pick up the key? Also, I fixed like a lot of the sprites. Because HDRP did like fuck them up. But I think I got everything sorted out. I am lost. Okay. So hell's working now. Like 100%. It's just kind of visually not appealing. I think. Hold on. There we go. Shade 0. I think them starting out with facing the wall instead of here. Because, you know, I started looking at this and I'm like, oh, the screen's not loaded up. No, it's just dark. No longer be done. Well, so I figured out what that issue is. It's just like a texture that's like, no, not a texture, a model that has like an open thing. It was a table, which was the issue back then. So I just remade the model for the table. It works now. Also, these aren't like crazy anymore. They like actually like stay there. I'm gonna have to like expand that though. Should I just remove? Should I just straight up remove like the sounds of like walking here? It sounds so echoey for such a little room. It just doesn't make sense. Whatever. Bookshelves are kind of fixed. They're alright. This little dude. I kind of like being able to walk up to the table because you can do that. And it wants to move. E to use. F is like, oh, I just realized the spacing is all fucked. So it says was to use move, space slide to jump, shift to run, left click to mark, right click to snap picture. I need to fix the whole picture taking thing. I haven't even tested if it still works, like the whole code. Yeah, this works like normal now. It's pretty epic. Also, I wrote a lot of lore. I added classifications too. Just ignore what those are. Explore the labyrinth. I didn't even finish it. I need to add the timer. The timer should be bad. Now that I added like now that I added the whole like you can actually die. Now I need to add like an actual like finish. You know, maze works. You can go through the maze. You can collect shit. You can open doors, close doors, stun the dude, escape the dude, get hit by him, go to hell, come back. I just need to add like an actual end. That's something that I've never added to any game. There's just no end. But I think I can add it this time. I learned what coroutines are and they're pretty cool. They're honestly not that difficult. Like coroutines are honestly pretty helpful. The whole like timer thing, because then you can just set a timer to just like disable everything, and then just run like an animation or something. Yeah, think that's pretty much it. I still have no idea what the fuck J House is. Also, I need to change the names of all of these. Go back to my plan. Yeah, I don't wait. I'm so stupid. I just realized. Oh my J House. It was staring at me in the face the whole time. I have a whole list. Like, let me see if I can stream that one. I'll just display capture. I don't even care. I don't have anything important. That's his whole plan. And I'm like, what the heck is J House? What the heck is J? What does that mean? And then I have this whole dude right here that's like neglected. Where is he? This man right here. I spent so much time making. He's just chilling there. I have this whole theme and everything. J House. Like, oh, like the Tommy Mats and all this shit. The J in J House stands for Japanese. And in my plan over here, where is it? I have like all of these other dudes that I came up with, all these mazes, and I just have J House and J. I completely just like neglected the fact that I have this whole dude right here. That's like the only other maze that I somewhat like have like parts to like actually make it. Like I have the whole dude and I have all the parts. Cause like all these other mazes I haven't even modeled or done any other things, or I haven't made the textures or anything. But god damn, Oni. I'll just change this to Tommy. Wow. I was even going back to like the history trying to find out like what the heck is J House. Does it even show? I don't even think it shows up on the screen. Whatever. I don't care. But yeah, I'm mad at myself. Or no, I guess I'm not that mad. This whole place here that I just like neglected. This place is pretty cool. I like the whole Japanese thing. Not like in a weird weeaboo type way. It's just I like this theme of like just a bunch of like just like going through, and it's like this big thing. You have to do chasing like what's that one episode of Demon Slayer where they have like it's like a maze, and it's like the dude with the drums. Something similar to that. And like, yeah, candles are pretty nice. Need to change the texture there. It kind of, I guess they're alright. I could probably make like a. Hold on. Does that look any different? Yeah, I could probably make like a little dish instead of a silver thingy. Yeah, just probably change the texture, but it's just like the same thing. And I'm laying around. Have this dude's chasing you. I don't even know what type of AI you're gonna be. I have like all these new types of AIs. I have no idea what this dude is gonna be. I don't even know. I was trying to make like I was trying to think like a cool custom AI for each dude. But I don't even know what that dude is gonna be. Or Desmond. Should should I add a dude to hell? To like the hell area? Like I don't know if I should. I did model some big dude randomly because I was bored and named Desmond. Big stereotypical demon guy. I'm not even sure if I like should add him or anything. I don't know. Probably won't. Yeah, I don't even know what to do for the AI dude. For that dude. Because I have like the random wanderer. It'd be weird to just make like two of one AI type, while like everyone else is like their own thing, you know? I feel like I feel like I need to have at least 10. Nine just doesn't. It just doesn't. Nine just doesn't feel good. It just doesn't sound right. I feel like I need 10. You know. Nothing comes to mind. So what does he have? So and he's in an Oni, which is like a ghost. But I already have a ghost type AI. Like a ghost type dude. Onis. Demon, orc, ogre, or troll. I guess I could make him like the random wanderer dude. Except that because the ghost one's supposed to be based. It's based off like the original dude, like the Spectre guy. Cause it's like always tracking you, but when it gets like close, it like charges. You can use like the flashlight to like scare him away. I want to use the flashlight against like most of them. I don't know. I'm kind of like in the beginning. There's a bunch of other D's with a bunch of other shit, you know. Yeah, I don't know. I feel like a head just like charging at you would be pretty cool, scary. But it can't just charge at you. Actually, maybe he can. Okay, maybe it could just be like just charges from really far away, like randomly just charges at the player, and then just kind of wanders around. I don't know. I'll. What's it called? I will make a more detailed explanation of that later, and then implement it. I didn't fix that camera thing. I think one of the next things I will do is probably. Okay, wait, no. Before I start jumping around, I need to. There was the stamina, some shit for the stamina, so you can see. The compass is gonna be its own whole thing. I'll do later, like later. So right now I can probably just fix the whole stamina shit. I don't need this to be running, and then it was something right now. I don't even remember. Stompies. Yeah, I guess I can probably hop on Destiny too. I do be like kind of bored. Okay, well hold on. Finish this shit. Yeah, then I was gonna like go look into the saving shit. Okay. You know what, I'll do that. That's the end of this thing. I'm gonna end the stream before like my internet goes out and then end up having 3 parts. Yeah. Goodbye, chat.